going to Maui. Are you excited? I'm very excited. Next stop, ODG.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 must-visit beaches on the island of Maui. Although so many others could have made this list, these are the beaches you don't want to miss, so stay tuned for some amazing scenery. Let's get this video started. The first beach on this list is Wailea Beach. Wailea Beach is a gorgeous and popular beach known for its calm, crystal clear waters, golden sand, and chill resort vibe. This beach is a great spot for sunbathing, swimming, snorkeling, and stand-up paddleboarding. Plus, there are plenty of restaurants, beautiful resorts, and shops along the 3-mile trail that surrounds the area, making Wailea Beach a must-visit. About a 10-minute drive from Wailea is our next beach, Big Beach, also known as Makena Beach, which is located on the south shore of Maui and stretches for about 2/3 of a mile. Big Beach is known for its soft golden sand, turquoise water, and beautiful views of the neighboring islands. This beach is an excellent choice for relaxing, sunbathing, and enjoying the sunset, although swimmers should use caution as the beach can have strong currents and heavy shore break. Big Beach is definitely a must-visit when you are on the island of Maui. Next on this list is Black Rock Beach, located on Napili Beach in front of the Sheraton Hotel. It is known for its stunning volcanic rock formation and crystal clear waters that are perfect for snorkeling, swimming, and stand-up paddleboarding. You'll likely see a variety of tropical fish, sea turtles, and if you're feeling adventurous, you could try jumping off the rock formation. There are many resorts and some great restaurants nearby, making Black Rock Beach a great place to spend your day. The next beach on the list is Napili Bay Beach, which is one of my favorites on the island and is a must-visit destination for any beach lover. This stunning crescent-shaped beach has crystal clear waters with golden soft sand and beautiful palm trees, making it the perfect place to relax for the day. Additionally, there's a fantastic restaurant at the end of the beach called Sea House, which has a great menu and sits literally on the ocean's edge. If you're looking for a relaxing day by the water, Napili Bay Beach is a must. last beach on this list is Red Sand Beach. More than likely when you are on Maui, you will be driving the road to Hana. While this road has many great sights to see, one must visit is the Red Sand Beach, which is a secluded beach with stunning red sand and a unique shade of clear blue water. You'll need to hike a short but steep trail to get there, and visitors should use extreme caution such as wearing proper footwear and paying attention to trail and weather conditions, but it's totally worth it for the amazing views and sense of privacy. It's perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and lounging on the shore. Red Sand Beach is a must-visit spot for beach lovers visiting the island of Maui. This will be the end of the video. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed my content, please subscribe so you don't miss my future travels. And also please click that like button to help my channel grow, and I will see you all in the next video.